Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use either land or portrait mode. After that, you walk into the scene. What you need to do is just to bend down. After some few seconds, you can now lift your head. Then you stand up gradually. Then you can stand for some few seconds and spread your hand. After you spread your hand, you can lift it up and do as if you shoot something. After that, you can now walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Guys, welcome to your gallery. You click on CapCut, new project there. Click on photos, import this your background to workspace. Then you click it and drag it to the duration of your video. After that, you come back, you mark on that arrow and click on overlay. Click on overlay, add overlay, click on video again, import this your video to workspace. You want to click on volume there to reduce it to 0. Then you mark on this good, you go back. All right, so at this point you locate where you want the video to start from. Make a split here, delete this first part, click it and drag it to the beginning of the video. Then you go and locate where you want the video to end. All right, locate the ending part where you want the video to end. Immediately you throw the light, click here and make a split. You delete the last part, click on the background, make a split, delete the last part as well. You come back and click on the video, go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, look at it there, click on remove BG auto removal. Then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, that is applying. All right, if you love our video, smash your like button. All right, if you have a magic effect or tricks you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, make sure you watch this video to the end because there are many things to take home from this video. So at this point, you have removed completely, mark on that good there, then you go back. So at this point, this is what we have got. Click it and drag it to the position you want the character to be. After that, you click on this arrow, then you click on add overlay. Look at it there, click on add overlay now. Add overlay, locate this your light and import it to workspace. Click on volume, reduce it to 0, then locate part of the light that you want to use. The light is lengthy. If you need it, can DM me, I will send it to you. All right, so locate the part you want to use, then you click them, make a split, mark out that part you want to use. I want to use this part, that is why I am marking it out. I will make a split here as well. Then I will go and look for the second part of the light that I still want to use. Okay, this is the second part. Then I am going to be making another split here. Then make another split here. Then you locate immediately the light flashes, you make another split, delete this last part, you click on this middle one and delete it. All right, after deleting now, click this one and delete it as well. Then click this one and drag it to the point where you want to use it, that is where you spread your hand. Come and click this other one as well and still drag it closer so that it will be closer to you, so that your work will be moving smoothly. Click this one, click on splice, click on filter there, mark on this good, go back. Then you want to work on it. All right, make it stay at the point of your hand. All right, after that you click it and crumple it to be small. Then you place it at the point of your hand. This is the point of adjustment. Place it at the point of your hand. After placing it, you are going to click it to go and look for animation. Click it and locate animation. Okay, look for animation, click on animation here, click on fade in, mark on this good. Now you go back, this is how it's going to play. Good, so click on it now. Let us duplicate it into 2. Go and look for duplicate. Okay, locate duplicate, then you duplicate this one into 2, click it and drag it to be equal to each other. So this is it. You are going to be clicking this one and drag it to your second hand. place it, make it look good. So after that, after positioning it and doing the adjustment, we are going to play this part to see what it look like. Okay, this is it. Good. So the next thing we are going to be doing, before your hand comes up, before you lift your hand, click it and make a split here. All right, make a split here. Click this down one, make a split, add keyframe here, add keyframe at the top. So as you are moving it now, then you are adjusting these two lights to be equal with your hand. As you are moving it, you are adjusting the light so that the light will go up with your hand. Okay, but we don't want this video to be too long, so that we are going to be fast forwarding it now. All right, so that is good. So after this part now, you go and drag the second light, which is this one, and bring it, position it in your hand, but click it first, click on splice. All right, then you click on filter, mark on that good and go back, drag it to the point of your hand. This is it, so that immediately this one finishes playing, then this one is the one that is going to pop up. Look at it. So this is nice. So you do your necessary adjustments. After that, the next thing we are going to be doing is to duplicate it. Okay, so you click it and go and look for duplicate, locate duplicate. All right, look at duplicate here. You duplicate it into two, click it and drag it to align with each other. So after that, now the next thing is to click it, you drag this one to your second hand. All right, drag this one, place it here. So at this point, I guess this part is ready. Let's play it. Nice, this is good. So at this point, we are going to be coming back. All right, the next thing is to click on this your video here. You go and locate effect, click on effect there, click on body effect, look for super power. Look for super power, you click it, then you choose any light of your choice. At this point, this video is ready, so we play it from the beginning. But as far as I'm concerned, the video is ready. All right, remember to add your sound effect and every other effect. After that, you can now export your video. If you don't know how to do it, DM me. I am going to put you through on how to add your necessary effects. After that, you click on export, then you export your video to your gallery. This video I've installed in your gallery, can now share it to your social media handles. But guys, tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any magic tricks you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. You might be lucky I pick yours. Locate your notification bell and smash it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channels for more updates so that you will not miss out on any of our magic videos. We are coming out with grand styles. Okay, see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.